Bahia versus St. Augustine Grass. Bahia grass and St. Augustine grass thrive in warm, mostly southern regions in the United States. These varieties do best in coastal areas with constant sun and mild winter temperatures, but can grow in a variety of soil types. Appearance. The coarse texture of St. Augustine grass gives it a dense and attractive appearance. However, this rich blue-green colored variety is not as tolerant of heavy traffic as other warm grass types. Bahia grass is not as attractive as St. Augustine grass. This grass can look sparse and the Y-shaped tip of the blades appear similar to weeds if left unkempt. Maintenance. St. Augustine grass requires more care than Bahia grass. It demands a moderate care routine including mowing, fertilization and adequate watering. Bahia grass is more drought tolerant and does not need excessive fertilization or care. In fact, over-fertilization or overwatering can destroy Bahia grass. Problems. St. Augustine grass is susceptible to disease and insects, primarily the chinch bug. Bahia grass tends to be a more durable grass with fewer problems.